Hi, my name is Alyssa, your pronunciation trainer, and I help people who have problems with their English pronunciation achieve an excellent American accent so they can speak English confidently and clearly. Watch the following demo for free to improve your accent immediately. Today we're going to talk about the W. Now the W is a nice sound because every time you see a W, it makes the exact same sound. It doesn't change at all. Your mouth and your lips go forward and your tongue goes back, but your bottom lip goes up and down. And the motion of your lip going down is what creates the sound. Okay, let me show you. Wa, 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 water, water. Very good. Thanks for watching our American Accent Secrets video. My lessons will help you improve your English pronunciation and sound like a native speaker. You'll find a video for every sound in American English. This is just an example of what you can find in American Accent Secrets app. Download American Accent Secrets for free. Find the link in the description.